In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up and use Google Slides for an automated presentation using templates. Whether you're preparing a professional presentation or creating a slideshow for a special event, these tips will help you get started with ease. Let's dive right in. Begin by opening Google Slides in your favorite web browser. Once you're there, you have a couple of options. If you're looking to infuse your presentation with some initial flair without starting from scratch, choosing a template can be incredibly helpful. For the purposes of this video, we'll be selecting a template to give our presentation a cohesive look from the get-go. Google Slides offers a range of templates catering to various themes and purposes, so you can choose one that aligns perfectly with the tone of your presentation. Simply click on the template gallery at the top and browse through the options until you find one that catches your eye. Once you pick the one you like, it will automatically set up your presentation with that style. Now that your presentation is loaded with your chosen template, the next logical step is to prepare for the slideshow mode. All you need to do is head toward the top right corner of the screen, look for the slideshow button, and give it a click. This action will put your presentation full screen, which is not only great for viewing, but also essential when you're ready to present to an audience. Once you've activated the slideshow mode, go ahead and move your attention to the lower left corner of your screen. Here, you'll notice a set of 3 dots. Click on them to reveal more options. Among these options, you'll see one labeled Autoplay. This feature is particularly useful when you want the slides to advance automatically without having to click each time. By clicking on Autoplay, you can adjust a few settings for your slide transitions. You can choose how long each slide will remain visible before transitioning to the next one. For instance, setting it to transition every 3 seconds provides a moderately paced presentation, perfect for slides that contain more images than text. Additionally, you have the option to loop the presentation. By enabling the loop feature, your slideshow will start from the beginning once it reaches the end, creating an endless loop ideal for trade shows or continuous displays. Adjusting these settings allows your presentation to run seamlessly on its own, freeing you from the task of manually advancing each slide and ensuring your audience has a smooth viewing experience. And just like that, your Google Slides presentation is all set up for automated playback. With these simple steps, you can now create polished and professional slideshows effortlessly. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your next presentation.